Welcome to Quality. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create test cases and let Hooty, the artificial intelligence agent, execute them automatically for you without writing a single line of code. All you need to do is describe the step by step and Hooty takes care of the rest. The first thing we have to do is go to the test management test cases and create our own test cases. Enter the test case name and summary as usual, but this time when you get to the execution type field, select Hooty instead of manual, as you can see in this field. As soon as you select Hooty, a few things will change in the form. The detailed steps and expected results become mandatory, because Hooty needs clear, precise instructions to know what to do exactly. Additionally, these three fields will appear: the URL, the username, and password. These are the credentials Hooty will use to access the application during execution. So let's create our two test cases. For this example, I have a page that returns information about people enrolled in gym classes. We are going to test two scenarios, and no user and password is required for this prototype. So the first test case will be get all the courses information, and let's write exactly the step by step. So the first thing is to navigate to the website. After that, click on the Get All Courses button, and finally verify the response section. The expected result is that information about all courses is returned, including both course with ID 1 and ID 2. After that, we can click on Save and create more. Now we can create another test case. We will also mark this as Hooty, and the URL is the same. But now, instead of having the information about all the courses, I only want to get the information about one course. So let's call it Get Course 1 Information. And the summary will be this one. The status is approved. And the step-by-step is navigate to the URL, click on the Get Course 1 button, and verify the response section. Sorry, this goes to the detail step. The expected result is only the information from course 1 is received in the response section. Now we can save, and here we have both test cases. Let's switch the status of this test case in order to be able to execute it. It's approved. Update. And now we are able to create our test cycles. Moving to test cycle management, test cycle. Click on Create Cycle. Let's name it Get Courses Information. The cycle type is Hooty, and we can click on Save. Let's add the test cases we recently created. Get Course 1 Information and Get All Courses. Let's move to our Hooty test cycle and click on Execute. Here we have our two test cases, and they are not run yet. So let's go back to this test cycle section. This is our test cycle, and now we can click on Actions and click on Call Hooty. Test execution has started. Hooty will now take over. It will navigate to the URL, interact with the page, follow the steps, and evaluate whether the expected results were met. If we hover here, we can see that cycle is executing, so we have to wait until it's done. After the execution is complete, the status of the overall cycle is updated, and also if we go to each test case, it's also updated. If you click on the execution, you will see that this pass, and you are able to attach any file. It's a great opportunity to start running the test cases automatically without coding, so I hope you have enjoyed this feature and start using it.